Having been a keen artist from her youth in Tangier, Margarita took up formal art lessons when she moved to Gibraltar. She's exhibited some paintings in the past, but this is her first solo exhibition, hence the debut. Over 60 works are on display, many providing snapshots of Gibraltar of the past, memories of places that have changed but still form part of our living memory. Morocco also features, with the familiar colourful streets and markets, and an appearance of an old favourite, the Mons Calpe. Among the collection, a range of still-life pieces, all using vibrant colours to draw in the viewer. Perhaps the most striking are her portraits, featuring faces with beautiful attention to detail and the use of colour that forms an integral part of Margarita's works. A very private person, Margarita's paintings are an expression of pure talent. She paints what she loves, and we hope that she continues to do so for a very long time.